What is up, guys? Man, we are back here with another everything's regular video. Man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Man, we have scored a whole nother bike, dog. I can't even believe it, man. I'm excited. I didn't even bid up a lot on this one. That's the funny thing. Like, this thing has been sitting there for a while, and like it was just the cheapest probably the second cheapest bike I've got before here on Copart before, man. So we ended up winning a 2011 Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra. This one is in Phoenix, Arizona. It's being sold by Farmers Insurance. 60,000 miles. It does run and drive. The color is ugly as heck, but I'm sure we can probably figure something out. But let's just check it out now, shall we? Alright, man, for the first pick, man, let's see what we got here. Of course, the color is just hideous. It's got that ugly beige. It says the damage is all over. So we're just going to check it out. I don't really see anything in the front. In the fork area, you do have something right here above this signal light, this turn signal. Looks like it may be scratched or scraped there, and then this paint looks like it's like a matte black or like it's wrapped or something. So we'll see how that turns out when we get there. But I mean, so far so good. I mean, it's nothing too crazy. You are missing a bag back here, and it looks like it has some pipes on it, a 2-into-1 pipe on there. So that may be something there. If we take a look at the other side, the trimming, of course, is off, no big deal. It does have a really huge windshield on there, man. We might have to change that out. Like the other side, it's not really too much damage, to be honest. Visible damage, at least. The color, like I said, is just literally ugly. But this side actually doesn't look that bad. Now you see the tour pack in the back does look to be cracked. Okay, yeah, this is a better picture for us right here. So this tour pack is definitely whooped. It looks like the fender, the rear fender down here is bent in a little bit, and you're missing a turning signal on those rear turning signals as well. If we take a look at the whole actual bike up from the front, it actually looks pretty intact. Pretty intact. We can take a look at the opposite side. There's that tour pack again. That thing is crunched up and mangled. Pretty much what you guys see, that rear fender down there is damaged. That turning signal, like I was telling you. And just looking far back, this thing looks pretty dirty. Like, just look at it. Look at the oil on there. You can see the oil since it's a freaking beige bike. You can literally see the oil and everything. I don't know if they like dropped it and oil started coming out or whatever the case may be. But does have a 2-into-1 pipe there. Really dirty bike, so we're gonna have to clean that up. It's sitting in Arizona, literally in the middle of the desert, man. So have to keep that in mind. But other than the tour pack, man, and the bags, the pipes, the exhaust looks like it might have survived the drop or whatever it might have been. But let's keep going. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Okay, gonna need new grips, of course. I don't see anything else up there that really stands out. Looks like the crash bar may be bent a little bit on the right side here. On the right side, looked like it may be pushed back just a little bit. You have a shifter that's the back half of the shifter that's missing. And then it looks like you have some rocks right there or something, some white stuff on the little shifter part. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but we'll get there. Just another picture of the tour pack and the bags and stuff like that. Tour pack is totally wood, like I was saying. Stock seat on it. Nothing else really in this picture, to be honest with you. Let's check out this motor now, shall we? Okay, we got the 103. Let's see. 6-speed. Definitely got the 2-into-1 exhaust. Everything looks, we got some damage on the gas tank right there, but I don't see really too much out of the ordinary, to be honest with you. Kind of looks pretty good if you ask me. However, it does look really dirty, like they just never cleaned their bike and they was just riding this thing. So definitely got to get that thing sauced up. 60K on the dash, no big deal. Rear picture, that fender is damaged right there, and we'll take that tour pack off. We don't even want that on there. So it looks like a fender, rear bags, and being that we got to get the fender, we'll try to find a black fender and then get some black bags so we can easily match that up with a black fairing and inner and outer fairing and then two little side guards on it. But other than that, man, doesn't look too bad. I scored this thing on an awesome deal. Gonna head out tomorrow and go grab this thing, man. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update before I do hit the road, man. I was excited that I grabbed it, so I just wanted to show you guys so you guys can be ready, because the video will be out tomorrow. And make sure you guys be there and like the video, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. Be sure to tune in tomorrow, man. I have to catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.